everybody, welcome to a fine store video. We're calling at Walmart, in this local Walmart, so we're gonna check out if there's any new case of Series 24 or any Series 20, which is new doubles packs or not. Let me the same random showing see what they have. Before. So it's the same random shipment all we have, so we're gonna check the all local Walmart. All none was seen saying that Star Hunt Adventure, so for the series. Hey everybody, welcome to a fine store video. Well, I was requested by N2SC4R on his channel, so he requested me. He said about which is the 3-pack, and see find out if he can show me what might be a trigger. Let's see. Oh, I actually do have it. I found it. The Earth and Quake on this truck. A new Urban Quake. Let's take a Instagram photo. So I already found this case of it. So we'll see when we get back home. Hey everybody, welcome to another box review today. So I got from Target Purses on, I found it in store, and I finally found it in local Target. Finally found it, which is the Target exclusive, which is the second Quake. So here it is, second Quake right here. So here it is. You'll see the great deal Fire vs. Gold place that exclusive truck will soon after I did unboxing and review this. I'll be right back since I cut the rubber bands off. Be right back. Alright, I cut the tape out. It took a while, but here it is. It's Earthshaker about 1/24 scale, but here it is. So we got the brown tires or the sand tires with the Piketty braking and the yellow rims, as well with the black and brownish chassis, as well with the black shocks, as well with the sand texture, which is on the headers as well. We got the Martin logo, the Earthshaker logo, as well with the dirt and dust crumbled around on the paint scheme, and here it is. So we got the Earthshaker logo as well, and with the custom tapes going to both on the sides, and it's on the hood and the roof as well, and the black roof as well. Seeing the other side's going on, and with the Marcher.com logo and some dirt on the pile on the back as well. So with the custom tapes going around, wrapped around the flatbed, so that's that one. And next up it is, which is the Crew, which is Scoops. At the Lobo is a first aid truck. So we got the white roll cage, the gray rims, and the black chassis as well. So we got the first aid kit right here, this logo right here, with the custom tape logo of a white and black, and matching with the custom tape, which is the black and white stripe. Sitting us that's going on with the Dirt Squad logo as well, with the hood towing all the medical trucks that have been injured, towing them along towards the pits. So we got the yellow eyes in the red die-cast form. Didn't cast in this form, that's that one. And last but not least, we have Toro Loco as a brown truck. So we got the Toro logo as well, with the modern logo as well. And the frames going across the paint scheme, and the tape printed in, the white horns, and we also got the chin hail on the bottom as well, with the fire flames on coming out of the nostril, with the nose ring on the hood as well. Seeing the other side is going on, and the El Toro Loco logo as well, and the Mazda.com logo is the sponsor website. And we got the black wheel case, the gray chassis, and the Earth tires as well, and some black rims as well. So that's that one. And now we're about to unveil one of the places exclusive truck, which is the Great Digger 4th Anniversary Gold which is the place exclusive of the garage. So I'll be right back as soon as I cut the tape saw on that exclusive truck. But I'm not actually going to take it out because I'm not going to ruin this packaging as well. I'm not going to leave all the parts anywhere. It's just not going to lose it everywhere. So I'll be right back as soon as I cut the tapes off. Here it is, the truck itself, Great Digger 4th Anniversary Gold. You're probably wondering why you don't want to take the plates out. Well, I just don't want to lose some parts on the playset, so I want to keep it together in one piece. So that's why I just don't want to lose some stuff, why forget stuff why I put it. So anyway, let's continue. We got the Great Digger logo as the stack one right here, with the ghost right here, with the 4th Anniversary logo as well, and some fog going around in the background. And here it is, I got the green frame printing on the lap of this hood, and it's got the white arrow on the hood, wrapped around with the red headlight printing as well. Seeing the other side's going on, and some Great Digger 4th Anniversary logo on the was like a tombstone and some skull and of a glim as well, with the which is the green frames on the roof as well. So we got the yellow gold rims as well, and we also got the red chassis and the gold chassis as well, but it's also red wheel case as well. So that will conclude of today's video of finance store and unboxing review for you guys today. So hope you enjoy this video of doing the unboxing and review for you guys. So hope you enjoyed this video of this series. So make sure you give a like, subscribe, and comment. So do down 310. Signing out.